So, quick kwentuhan tayo ulit, no? While walking dito. So, pag-usapan natin So, this is just for sharing, guys, no? So, not for anything else. Just for random sharing. So, pag-usapan natin, nakailang trabaho na ba ako dito sa Australia since when I arrived dito sa Perth. Ayan mga chong, it's Saturday. Bright na yung sun pero expect showers daw today. Ayan, so medyo gloomy. Alam mong anytime in the day baka umulan. And medyo basa rin yung lupa. Ayan, umulan kasi kagabi. So, yan. Ito yung, of course, yung neighborhood natin. And yun, syempre, pag Saturday, syempre, laundry time. So, normally, naglo-laundry ako pag umaga. And then, yan, konting linis sa bahay. And, yun lang. And, yun ang typical routine ko pag walang lakad. And then, paghapon, paggabi, from 6 p.m. to around 9:30, nagte-table tennis tayo on a nearby club. So, yan ang hilig natin even sa Philippines pa. So, luckily, may mga active na table tennis clubs dito sa nearby area. So, yan ang normally ginagawa natin. Ayan. So, ayan, ito yung harap ng natin, house. Ayan, let's water the plants. Tagal ko nang hindi na didiligan tong plants na to. Ayan, konting tubig lang. Ayan, so nakapagsampay na tayo. So dito tayo nagsasampay sa side. May sampayan tayo. So sana wag umulan. So expect showers daw today. But around 2 p.m. pa yon. So hopefully matuyo pa yung ating mga laundry. Ayan mga chong, it's Saturday. And syempre, Saturday morning dito tayo sa usual tambayan. So, konting walking ulit for about 40 minutes. So, ganda yung panahon ngayon, no? So, it's 22 degrees. Pero expect showers daw later in the day, around 2 p.m. And yan yung mga sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys, no? Ito yung mga trip ng mga dito, mostly mga locals, no? Picnic lang sila, gathering sa park. And yun, kung may mga birthday parties, dyan lang sila nagagather. Kasi mayroon namang parang place to prepare food. So may lutuan din na electric. So yan lang yung typical dito routine. Instead of going to restaurants na common sa Philippines. So potluck lang, they just gather sa mga parks and yun, potluck lang, tipid pa and magandang bonding for friends and families. Yan, hindi lang tayo subukan nating lumapit. Yan, so ayan, so doon sila, siguro may birthday parties or anything. But anyway, guys, so quick kwentuhan tayo ulit, while walking dito. So pag-usapan natin So this is just for sharing, guys, no? So not for anything else. Just for random sharing. So pag-usapan natin, nakailang trabaho na ba ako dito sa Australia since when I arrived dito sa Perth. Okay? So, just a recap, na-share ko na rin to sa previous vlogs ko na this coming September 2024, so it will be my only my third year, no? So far, so dumating tayo ng September 2021. So this is my second year and 8 months, 2 years and 8 months so far. And in that span, pag-sharing lang kung nakailang work or company na ba ako since I arrived here in Perth. Okay. And yan, so just to share, so far guys, I was lucky na since I arrived here, nakakaisang company and isang work pa lang ako. So I'm not sure if it's safe to say na I'm lucky enough or would be the other way around. But yun, just to share guys, nakakaisang company and work pa lang ako since I arrived September 2021. Ayun, so it's an MSP company based in Melbourne. We're catering to Australian clients. I've shared this in my previous vlogs. And I'm working remotely here in WA since Melbourne-based nga yung company ko. And yun, it only took me a month to get a local job here. So mostly online. I just made sure na yung online profiles ko are up to date in seek.com.au, indeed.com, and of course yung LinkedIn. And if I'm not mistaken, yung current work ko ngayon was, I didn't apply directly, pero nakita, I think, yung profile ko sa LinkedIn and kinontak nila ako ng recruiter and that's it. So, yun. And along the way, itong past 2 years and 8 months, I tried applying last year. Last year, around February 2023, so I got lucky na I was given an offer in another MSP company and another MSP. But for some reason, I declined the offer and I opted to stay on my current company. And yeah, I've shared also on my other video na just last week I got an offer, but I likely declined the offer kasi relatively comparable lang sa current work ko ngayon yung offer. And alam nyo naman, if you move from one company to another, you'll go under probation, adjustments, and medyo may risk yun. So kung comparable naman sa current salary ko, so I'll likely opt to stay on my current company. So ayun lang guys, I guess yes, for myself, I'm not sure if it's kasi normally ang style ng iba is you move from one company to another to get a higher salary. So yun ang style ng iba. And I think wala namang masama doon. But of course, especially kung nasa ibang lugar kayo, there's a risk when you move from one company to another. So, but yun, so far, on my experience dito, I'll be going 3 years. So it's only one company so far. And yun. And so that's about it guys for this quick sharing this morning. Yung mga nandito na sa Australia, please share your experiences sa comment section below guys. Share nyo naman kung paano kayo nakakuha, how long, and kung nakailang company na kayo ever since you arrived here in Australia. So yun lang guys, see you in the next one.